Alright guys, what's up? I'm doing a video on how to use this calculator. It's the Ti-nspire CX cash calculator. So pretty much like any other calculator, you want to start by turning it on. Alright, usually your on-screen will look like this. In part 1, I'm going to try to do 3 videos, but for part 1 for now, we're doing part 1. Just going to focus on this one here, calculator. So that one. Click OK. And just delete the other things. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, so let's start something basic. Fraction to decimal. So let's go 1. Alright, so pretty much you want to first start with the template. Templates are right here. But this is your template button. Sorry, my hand is bloody huge. This one there. Press it. You've got all these different templates for like surds, whatever you want to call them, all these other things. I have no idea what they do. So let's start, obviously, doing fractions. So let's do the fraction one. Let's say quarter, so 1 over 4. Enter. Now click enter. Never click this unless I tell you to. So pretty much only use this one if you're solving something, which we'll get into soon. Okay, now to convert or do anything, you want to go menu, right over here. You want to go number and convert to decimal. So to go from fraction to a decimal, you want to convert to decimal. Your answer is this one up here. So don't worry if it doesn't say that. Just go answer to decimal. You get 0.25 as we all know. Say we want to do the opposite thing, so we want to go 0.25, so decimal to fraction, go 0.25, then menu, number, convert to decimal. No, shit. Alright, sorry about that, sorry guys. Alright, so we've got 0.25, enter, then we got menu, number, approximate to fraction, so decimal to fraction, we're going to go approximate to fraction. Depending on what mode you're using, you may or not get this thing over here, and it equals a quarter. Alright, so go from fraction to decimal, you type in your fraction, then you want to click menu, then number, then convert to decimal, and to go from decimal to fraction, put your decimal in, click enter, go menu, go number, approximate to fraction. Alright, so I've cleared that up. Let's make it simple. Say now, we'll go to solve, which is where we're going to use this button and these letters. So solve is pretty much used for, like, say for example, you want to solve for X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, the rest of your alphabet, if you know it. So we want to click menu. Please note we're still in calculator, nothing's changed. Algebra, solve. Okay. So let's go, for example, 2x. You can use any of them. I'm just going to use x for now. It's simple. 2x plus 3. Now, whatever letter you want to solve, you have to do comma. And depending what letter you put in there, you'll put that same letter after the comma, still inside the bracket. So we want to solve for x. So pretty much just letting the calculator know that we want to solve for x. Okay, then we want to click enter. Bloody bastards, what's going on? Oh, sorry guys. I'm sorry. We're going to solve. Okay, same thing. 2x plus 3. Now, I forgot this. Equals. Let's make it equal 6. And then we'll do the comma. X. Enter. X equals 3 over 2, as you can see. So that's pretty basic. You can do that for any of them. So to get there, you go, so in calculator, go menu, algebra, solve. But I'll put all these commands down in the description below or on top, wherever it goes. Yeah, so let's clear that up. let's expand now. So to expand, we want to go menu, algebra, expand. Let's go 2x plus 3. Put it in brackets, even though there's a bracket, still. And let's get another 2x plus 3. This is just for example's sake. So when you expand that, you get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Alright? Now let's factorize, which is the opposite. Which we want to go menu, then algebra, then factor. Guys, sorry, cut off before. So we want to go from, we want to do the opposite of expand, which is factorize. So we want to go menu, algebra, factor. So we just want to factorize this thing here. So we'll just go control this thing, because that'll do answer. Enter 3x plus 2 all squared, as you can see. So it's a factorized form of that, same thing. Alright, let's go to solving simultaneous equations. Alright, to solve simultaneous equations, we're going to go menu, algebra, and instead of going solve, you want to actually go to solve system of equations, not linear, but just solve system of equations, just the first one. Now enter the number of equations there are. So there might be 3, usually there's only 2 though. Enter the variables there are. So for example, we've got x and y. Click OK. Enter your first equation. Honestly, I don't know any equations off the top of my head. Yeah, just so pretty much just enter your equation plus 5 equals 3 something. I honestly have no idea. That won't even work out. And do another one at the bottom. Now you don't have to do the comma xy thing because you've already got it up there. So don't worry about that. So anyway, so now you know how to do that. So once you cleared everything, I need to get another calculator. Now to do anything that has a sign, such as a square root sign, fraction, or to the power of, and those other ones, you want to go to calculator, which we are in already, and look for the number 9 button. So we've got the number 9 button here, and press the button to the right of it, which shows you the template. So I showed you this before, but that's it there. And to escape out of anything, by the way, so you go so say you are in menu and you want to escape menu, you can't click menu again, you just click escape. It's very simple. Okay, to get like decimal into like degrees, minutes, seconds, you want to go calculator, which you're in, and you want to press the book thing next to the templates, but the book. Now with me, because I've used DMS all the time, it's already there. Just look degrees, minutes, seconds, which is DMS, and whatever your answer was, convert DMS, and it'll convert it. But I've got no answer at the moment. To do trig, you just want to use this button here. So I want to do sine, type it in, whatever the sine thing is. You only need to worry about these ones here. That is your inverted ones. These, don't worry about. To get things like pi and theta and the degree sign, press the bottom. So you want to go to the bottom left and go H. Click this button here with the pi sign, and that gives you your pi information thing, some infinite sign, theta, degrees. That's what you need to know. Yeah, that's basically it for a calculator. to be honest. Calculus, probability, statistics, all that other stuff you really don't need yet. Yeah, so pretty much just using algebra, algebra, number. That's all you're using, guys. Algebra, number. Simple. Alright, in my next video we'll be looking at graphs, which are really easy also. It's actually less commands and stuff. So hopefully that will be cool. Yeah, see you then. Oh, and remember to like on your right and subscribe up the top, you know, up the top, not down below, because I don't think there's a subscribe button down there anymore. Yeah, alright, nah, jokes. Subscribe down below and like, dislike, whatever you like. I'd rather you like though, don't diss. Yeah, says.